So welcome students. Today we will see exercise 3.3 in that question number 1 in that first portion. Here solve the following pair of linear equations by substitution method. Here as the name suggests that substitution is nothing but we have to substitute one of the variable value in another equation so that we can find out the values of x and y. So we will take the first one, that is x plus y is equal to 14, and second equation will be x minus y is equal to 4. So this one equation number 1, this will be equation number 2. So first we will take any one of the equation like x plus y. This is x plus y is equal to 14. So x can be written as x is equal to 14 minus y. This y we have sent to RHS side. So this x value we will substitute in this equation, in the second equation. So substituting x value in equation 2. So here x means 14 minus y. So x, here I will write the second equation, x minus y equal to 4. In place of x we will substitute 14 minus y, that is 14 minus y as it is equal to 4. So here minus 2y, 14 minus 2y is equal to 4. So minus 2y is equal to 4. This 14 will send to RHS, minus 14. So minus 2y is equal to minus 10. So minus minus gets cancelled. Y is equal to 10 divided by 2, which is equal to y is equal to 5. So we got the value of y as 5. So this value we will substitute in any one of the equations so that we can find the x value. So we will take first equation only, that is x plus y is equal to 14. So x plus y is equal to 5 here is equal to 14. So x is equal to 14 minus 5. So x is equal to 9. So here x value also we found and y value also we found. So in this way we can calculate the x and y values by substitution method. So we will go for second one. So here second one, that is s minus t equal to 3. S minus t equal to 3 and s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. So this equation it is 1. So this second equation we will simplify it. So before simplification we will write the equation in this way, s by 3 plus t by 2 minus 6 equal to 0. So here LCM we will take 3 and 2 will be 6 and 2s plus 3t minus 36 equal to 0. Okay. So this 6 cross multiply with 0, it will become 0. So 2s minus 3t, plus t, 2s plus 3t minus 36 equal to 0. This we can write as 2s plus 3t equal to 36. This is second equation. Okay. This is first one. This is second one. So now we will see, we will consider this first equation. Consider equation 1, that is s minus t equal to 3. So s is equal to 3 plus t. Okay. This value we will substitute in the second equation. So here 2 into 3 plus t plus 3t is equal to 36. Okay. 2 into 3 6 plus 2t plus 3t is equal to 36. So here 3t plus 2t is equal to 5t. So 5t is equal to 36. This 6 we have sent to RHS, minus 6. So 5t is equal to 30. So t is equal to 30 divided by 5. So t is equal to 6. 5 ones are 5 6 da. So this is 6. So t value we got it. So we will substitute this t value in the any one of the equation. So for the simplification we will take the first equation itself. S minus t equal to 3. So that is s, we got t value. So s minus 6 is equal to 3. So s is equal to 3 plus 6. So s is equal to 9. So s is equal to 9 and t is equal to 6. So both value we found. So we will go for next one. So here this is third one we will solve. 3x minus y is equal to 3. 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. Okay. So here we will take, so this will be equation number 1, this will be equation number 2. We will consider equation 1. Consider equation 1. So in this 3x minus y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3x minus 3. Okay, because see, y we have sent to this side, 3 we have sent to this side. So y is equal to 3x minus 3. This value we will put in the second equation. So substituting, you have to write like this only in the examination. Substituting y value in equation 2. So equation 2 will be 9x minus 3 into y. Y means 3x minus 3 is equal to 9. So 9x minus 9x, minus into minus plus. So here 3 into 3, 9 is equal to 9. Okay. 9x minus 9x. This gets cancelled. So here 9 is equal to 9. Means, so if this situation occurs, then what happens? Here 9 is equal to 9 means the problem has got infinitely many solutions. Okay, infinitely many solutions. So then only this type will comes. So we'll go for next one. So here 3.3 question number 1 in fourth option. So this one. So 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3 and 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. So let us call this as equation number 1. This is equation number 2. So here consider equation number 1. Consider equation 1, that is 0.2x plus 0.3y equal to 1.3. So here multiply whole equation by 10. Then 10 into 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 10 into 1.3. So we have multiplied both sides. So value will not be changed. So 10 into 0.2 will be 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. So this will become the new equation, that is third equation. So this we have modified like this. So in the same way, this equation we will consider equation number 2. So we will modify, that is 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. Again the same equation will be multiplied both sides by 10. So 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 10 into 2.3. So here 10 into 0.4 means 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. So this will be the new equation. This is third and fourth will be new equation. So now we will calculate one of the variable. So here 2x, let us consider equation number 3. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. So 2x is equal to 13 minus 3y. So x is equal to 13 minus 3y whole divided by 2. So this value we will substitute in the equation 4. Substituting x value in equation 4. Okay. So 4 into 13 minus 3y whole divided by 2 plus 5y is equal to 23. So here 2 1s are 2 2s are 13 2s are 26 minus 6y plus 5y is equal to 23. So here minus 6y plus y, it will be minus y. So is equal to 23. This 26 we have sent to RHS side, minus 26. So minus y is equal to minus 3. So y is equal to 3. So one value we got. So substitute this value in any one of the equation. So 3 or 4. So substituting y value in equation 3. So here 2x plus 3 into y means 3 is equal to 13. So 2x is equal to 13 minus 9. This 3 into 3, 9 will comes to the RHS. So 2x is equal to 13 minus 9 means 4. X is equal to 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. These are the values. Okay, we will go for next one. So here fifth one we will take root 2 x plus root 3 y is equal to 0. So here root 3 x minus root 8 y is equal to 0. So here root 2 x is there. So we will calculate, this will be equation number 1, this will be equation number 2. We will calculate any one of the value here and substitute that value into the another equation. So for example, considering equation number 1, root 2x is equal to minus root 3y. Okay, this we have shifted to the RHS side. So x is equal to minus root 3y divided by root 2. So this can be written as minus root 3 by 2 into y. Okay, this x value, substitute x value in equation 2. So equation 2 I will write here, root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. In place of x we will write this one. So here we will substitute the x value in this equation. So root 3 in place of x minus root 3 divided by root 2 into y. So minus root 8y is equal to 0. So here root 3 into root 3, it will become 3. So minus 3y divided by root 2 minus root 8y is equal to 0. So we will take LCM here. Root 2 will become LCM. So here minus 3y minus root 2 into root 8y. Okay, this is root 2. This is equal to 0. So here root 2 into 0 means cross multiplication, it will become 0. So this equation can be rewritten as, so here minus 3y minus root 8 into 2. Here root a into root b is nothing but root ab. So that 8 into 2, that is 16. So y is equal to 0. So minus 3y minus root 16y equal to 0. So here minus root 16 means it will be 4 only. Minus 3y minus 4y is equal to 0. So here minus 7y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 divided by minus 7 is nothing but y equal to 0. So this is the y value. And substitute y value in equation 1. So here equation 1 is this one. So root 3 root 2x plus root 3 into y means 0 equal to 0. So here root 2x is equal to this one equal to 0. So this one x is equal to 0 divided by root 2. So this is nothing but 0 only. So x is equal to 0 and y is also equal to 0. This is the value. Okay. So now we will solve this sixth equation. So 3x divided by 2 minus 5y divided by 3 is equal to minus 2. So we will take LCM here. 3 to the 6. So 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 2. So this cross multiplication. So 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. So this is equation number 1. So we will take another equation, that is x divided by 3 plus y divided by 2 is equal to 13 divided by 6. So here again LCM 6. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 divided by 6. So 6 we will send it to RHS. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 by 6 into 6. 6 gets cancelled. 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. This is second equation. So we will consider, so now we will consider equation 1. So here this equation. So 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. So y minus 10y is equal to minus 12 minus 9x. So y is equal to minus 12 minus 9x divided by minus 10. So this can be written as 9x plus 12 divided by 10, because minus we have taken outside and it will be gets cancelled. So this y value we got. So substitute y value in equation 2. This is the equation 2. So 2x plus 3 into y means 9x plus 12 divided by 10 is equal to 13. Okay. So here 2x plus 9 3 is 27x plus 36 divided by 10 is equal to 13. See here LCM you will take. So next, so this is 10 is the LCM. So 20x plus 27x plus 36 is equal to 30. 10 we will send to this RHS side. So 20x plus 27x plus 36 is equal to 13 into 10. So here 20 plus 27 is 47x plus 36 is equal to 130. So 47x is equal to 130 minus 36. 130 minus 36. So 47x is equal to 130 minus 36 means 94. So x is equal to 94 divided by 47. 47 ones are 47 twos are. So x is equal to 2. So this x value will substitute in any of the equation. So we will consider this equation only. So consider equation 2 and substitute x value. So here 2 into 2 plus 3y is equal to 13. So 3y is equal to 13 minus 4. So 3y is equal to 9. So y is equal to 9 by 3, which is equal to 3. 3 ones are 3 threes are. So y is equal to 3. So here x equal to 2, y is equal to 3. These are the values. So now we will solve exercise 3.3 in that question number 2. So we have to solve these two equations, that is two pair of linear equation he has given. 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. And from this, hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. So first what we have to do, we have to solve these two equations and find out the value of x and y, then substitute the x and y value in this equation so that you will get m value. So consider 2x plus 3y is equal to 11, one equation, and second equation 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. This is the one, this is 2. Equation 1. So here 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. So 2x is equal to 11 minus 3y. So x is equal to 11 minus 3y divided by 2. So substitute x value in equation 2. So I will write equation 2 here. 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. X value will substitute 11 minus 3y divided by 2. So minus 4y is equal to minus 24. So here 2 into 11, 22 minus 6y whole divided by 2 here minus 4y is equal to minus 24. So take LCM again. So 22 minus 6y minus 8y, okay, is equal to minus 24. So cross multiplication here. So here I will write here 22 minus 6y minus 8y is equal to minus 24 into 2. So 22 minus 6y minus 8y means 14y is equal to 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 minus. So minus 14y is equal to minus 48. So this is 22 comes to this RHS minus 22. So minus 14y is equal to 10 7 minus. So y is equal to 70 divided by 14. So 2 7s are 2 35s are. 7 1s are 7 5s are. So y is equal to 5. Putting y value in equation 1, that is 2x plus 3 into 5 is equal to 11. So 2x is equal to 11 minus 15. 5 3s are 15 comes to RHS side. 2x is equal to minus 4. So x is equal to minus 4 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So x is equal to minus 2. So this is, so x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. So these are the values. X is equal to, okay. So after getting this x and y values, what we have to do? We have to substitute this one x and y values into this equation. So that is y is equal to mx plus 3. So y value is equal to 5 is equal to m, we don't know, x is equal to 2, that is minus 2 plus 3, okay. So minus 2m is equal to 5 minus 3. So m is equal to 5 minus 3 means 2 divided by minus 2. So 2 2s are 1. M is equal to minus 1. So this is m value. So this m value will be minus 1.